Government delegation will travel to Delhi tomorrow to urge central leaders to update the NRC before holding the census in Manipur. Manipur government spokesperson MLA Dr. Sapam Ranjan announced this during a press conference held today at the DIPR Hall in Idiapajutek, Imphal. He stated that the public's demand to update the NRC before the census aligns with the state government's goals and cited resolutions passed by the Manipur Legislative Assembly in 2022, 2023 and 2024 to support his claim. Ranjan emphasized that the state government has already been actively pressing the centre on this matter. The MLA also appealed to the Band supporters and the general public to use demographic forms of agitation and avoid violence. Responding to a query raised by SKTV reporter on why the state government failed to approach central leaders before the JFD and the public launched the ongoing general strike, MLA Tokchom Radhesham claimed that the public has failed to recognize the government's ongoing efforts regarding the public demand. When asked why the government kept its decisions hidden from the public and why the Chief Minister and Home Minister repeatedly avoided reporters' questions in the recent past, Radhesham admitted that there might have been a communication gap from the government's side. However, he clarified that the representative team has been internalizing and discussing the matter for quite some time. He called for unified efforts between the government and the public to ensure that NRC is updated before the census begins. SKTV reporter also asked if sending another legislative delegation right after the ex-Chief Minister's recent meeting with the Union Home Minister would signal internal dissent. Radhesham dismissed this by replying that approaching central leaders for public welfare yields the same result, whether done individually or in groups. He firmly stated that there is no dissidence or rift within the state government.
Elected representatives ki team mama koi enka chatlaga other government of India that Manipur ki burning issues of hana the is of action na lagi ba serious and luxury matters which is of utmost importance amuka hanna koi other action na bagi demang so koi hayang chatna na bi demang koi team mama ready laire aduna pe hujik Manipur da sigi when a request of the University was a form of protest, non-violent, yes, can only respect concern. I'm concerned with my protest. We believe in Manipuri, a democratic way, to win away the Makta without violence and Manipuri Pazagi Summit was a soap and about my support the center of the zone, Saturday, and can be a democratic way the winner. Protest of you had enough appeal to Jilingani, and detail all forms of communications of Zariba, which are Romeamsi,
Sarkari Matawai Sini. Public concern and expectation will address the Bakway town, but at times Akwayadura, Karakara, Hormaya, Leramaya, two in a place of Horaga, Aquina, Asimayamgi, concern and address of the way, but Akoy Portable Late, Manipur Santi Pami, Prasana Pain, the Valley concern, Rockaway, Lotok, and remove the address of Kanda problem. Sarkar is a Praja. Praja is part of the government because we are elected by the people. Other Miami representative in labor, when it comes to the integrity and people of Manipur, see, Lakanda, we are one. Aduna, Mayamna, Lano, Ubigano, Akoi Loina, Miami concerns Yakuzu concern, Akoi in a concern where Aduna see a joint forum on democracy or just and fair delimitation hara is teams in a tower so chamane but the moina release ala kana CSO mayam ban tawra kana public na laura kana akoi press authority na ubi bado that may not be right. There is simply a perception.